Good morning, everybody. My dear students, in the previous class, yesterday we are going to discuss regarding the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's dream or view about our country. Which dream Abdul Kalam had? What are the main dreams that Kalam's had? So in the yesterday's class, we are going to discuss about his dream. That is, we would like to see our India. It was full of literacy country and also free poverty nation. So and also he is having such a dream. Our India was governed by the scholars and leaders, and also he was talking about the system of our India and science and technologies, and focused on specific missions driven by goals relevant to the common people. How is the dream be made real? So this is the dream of Dr. Abdul Kalam. Dear learners means dear students, how can we Dr. Abdul Kalam's dream be real, or it means realized? It is our responsibility to do that all Kalam's dream realized. And also, Dr. Kalam, in the yesterday's class, we want to discuss about the mission is bigger than organization, and organization also very bigger than the individuals. Like these bigger missions and also organizations and individuals are very important for the sake of development of our country. And also he told about the power generated, hydraulic power, nuclear power, these thermal power are also very important. And also he was also focused on the purpose of survival of serving purpose of their existence. And also he want to say about the industries which have developed the period of British people. Jamshedji Nasalwarji Tata, he set up a steel industries in our country. And also another one person, that Acharya R.C. P.C. Ray, he established the chemical and pharmaceutical industries. So many universities also established. Among them, the Banaras J. Tata, the Banaras Hindu University established by that Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. And also Aligarh University, means Aligarh Muslim University, also established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So like that, so many universities are established under the rule of the Udayyas, Maharajas. And also we know that the position and also the communication is very important. The possibilities will remain remote to if we stay with the present trend or low A. So like that, they also emphasized about raw materials such as oil, ore and aluminium can be not converse these into a wide range of products international market. We also emphasize about the industries and also international market option. Like this, from our multi-participated manpower and a basic infrastructure, what is it that we do not have? In our country, we do not have the manpower and also for infrastructure. It means basic infrastructure is very important and also multiplicated manpower, basic infrastructure, like this defense equipment. These are all very important for the sake of development of our country. But what is it that we do not have? These are all things we do not have in our country. So like this, APJ Abdul Kalam, a great personality of our India. We want to explain about all these things, how we are going to develop our country. Let us today we are going to start another paragraph, that is, learners, what your response to Dr. Kalam's question. So learners means the students, how you are going to make a response for these questions by Kalams. What is it that we do not have? So that Kalam says that what is that we do not have that facilities. So let us read to know Dr. Kalam's views on this. How that Kalam's having such a views on these points development of our country. Let us I will start reading this paragraph. Look at the textbook, dear students. Let us think what prevents us from understanding such challenges. We have to analyze how we can give a new dimension to our style of informative functioning by cutting across these individual interests of various ministries and even understood and institutions to follow an integrated account of the plan. The motive force has to be love for the country. We need a vision that is shared by the entire nation. In the drive of development, some states are faring better than others in the country. Bright young enterprises have enlarged the nation in technology, science. Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Hyderabad are hubs of business activities. But even though the IT sector is very visible area of success and has brought in some capital investment in terms of overall development, this is not enough. Even if you take up the IT area as a mission, then the manpower is the most important need. Those lying as a mission, manpower is the most important need. Those lying away from the cities must also have access to the good education to join the talent pool, and this should happen fast. My visits to the northern states, Tripura and Assam, and to Jharkhand showed me our untapped potential. Tripura economy rests on forest products, including bamboo cultivation. It is rich in mineral wealth, as also in mineral gas, but the transport facilities are in bad shape. It's difficult to travel in intact and organized business. There is a isolation in Jharkhand too. There is a mineral wealth besides its resource in terms of forest products and handicraft, all of which need to be developed. In Assam, there is no shortage of resources and the state has good educational infrastructure. All the ingredients required for a developing economy are there, but there is insurgency and unrest among people. A focused mission will integrate people. States such as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Karnataka have made me realize that much can be achieved once efforts are made to channel development funds for improvement in areas such as education and health. These and other states can become good examples of economic development. Our intellectual firms, political platforms, academic institutions, and chambers of commerce are full of discussion and debate. There is noise, a lot of it. In fact, there are endless debates, arguments, hypotheses, theories, and yet there is little progress. However, the theme of developed India is not discussed in boardrooms and technology conferences. I want all of us in institutions, political parties, industries, communities, families, individuals at every level to create full responsibility for which is good or bad in our situation, for what we possess and that which we do not. This would mean that we stop blaming others for the circumstances we find ourselves in. Taking responsibility also means willingness to exercise our abilities to the fullest. This will make us worthy of enjoying the benefits that come with effort. Students should get ready to transform India into a developed nation. Ignite your minds and think big. A teacher once said, "Give me a 5-year-old child. After 7 years, no God or devil will be able to change the child. Will all teachers be such gurus?" Yes. So, dear students, so in this paragraph, these are the challenges which are what are the responsibilities of the young people, youngsters, how they take the challenges. Let us think what prevents of our undertaking such challenges. We have to analyze how we can give a new dimension to our style of functioning by cutting across the individual interests of various ministries and even industries and institutions. So according to Kalam, he told about the individual interest is very important. So that is situation, institutions also taking an individual interest to follow an integrated keeping as an action plan. The motive force has to be love for the country. We need a vision that is shared by the entire nation. And also he explains about that science and technology, national technology. So these are which are the main centers of the science and technology centers, and also technology cells, that is Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Hyderabad are also a hub of business cities. And also he told about the IT sector. Dear students, have you known about the meaning of that IT? Anybody? Yes? What is the meaning of IT? Yes, IT means information technology. So according to Abdul Kalam, for the sake of development of our country, the IT sector is very important to developed country. Success and we brought some capital investment term of overall development. So all the capital development investment also very important to develop overall this country. Also says about that power important need that having a cities must also have as the goal education to join the fluid pool, talent pool. So education and also talent pool also very important, and this should happen fast. You must going very fast regarding this IT sector development and also education system development. Like this, so many cities are the center of the social science and technologies. My visit when they have to visit the northern states like Tripura and Assam and Jharkhand showed me our untapped potential. Tripura's economy rests on forest products. Tripura states having a large forest. The main income for the state is forest products, and also mineral gas also available there. But the transport facilities are in bad shape. So he compared that the northern states, that Jharkhand, it is very thick, having the thickest forest, and also it is very famous for this bamboo products, and also very bad in the transportation system, because that the Jharkhand it contains full of hill stations, and it is difficult to travel interest in organization business. There is no improvements in the Jharkhand, that is there is a problem faced that state, that is a transportation problem. There is isolation, the Jharkhand too, there is a mineral wealth besides it resource in for terms of forest products and handicrafts. So that is from that forest products and also mineral gas also available there, but transportation is very bad. So that purpose the Jharkhand, the state is not developed in the field of business and other sectors. And also he says about that Assam, there is no shortage of resources. That state also have good educational institutes, infrastructure. Assam. All the ingredients required for the development economy are there, but there is no insurgency and unrest among people. A focused mission will integrate people. So like this, in northern state like Jharkhand and Assam, according to Abdul Kalam, the forest products are very important there, and also natural gas also available there. Natural wealth also available there, but there is a lack of the transportation system, because the Jharkhand is full of hill stations. So that purpose the state is not developed for the sake of these transportation problems. Assam also like that. Let us states such as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Karnataka have made a realize that much can be achieved once efforts to make to channel development funds of improvement in areas such as education and health. So he says in other states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Karnataka also they have to achieve in the field of education, and also they have to achieve their education and also health sector also. All these states, these other states can belong to become good examples for economic development. So these are all the states like including Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and including our state also. These states are a very good development in the field of economy. Our intellectual funds, political platforms, academic institutions and chambers of commerce are full of discussion and debate. There is not a lot of this. So there are endless debates, arguments, hypotheses, theories are happened in the field of the development of our states. So according to Kalam's, so intellectual forms, political platforms also very important, academic institutions and chambers of commerce also very important for the sake of development of the states. There are endless debates. There are so many debates taken over this hypothesis, theories, and yet there is a little progress. However, the theme of development India is not discussed in broad terms. Technology conferences also take over. I want all of us in situations, political parties, industries, communities, families, individuals also very important for the sake of the development of our country. Every level to take full responsibility for what is good or bad. Yes, we the youngsters, we the real poverty, the real power of our country, we have to think which is good or bad. So what we possess and that which we do not. This would mean that we stop getting for the circumstances we find ourselves in. Taking responsibilities also means a willingness to exercise our abilities to the fullest. This was make up worthy of enjoying the benefits that can with effort. Students, we should ready to transform India into a developed nation. So we are the students. We are also make a responsibility to develop our country. We have to take the responsibility in the form of development of our country. So, give me that one teacher, once he said like this, give me a 5 years child. After 7 years, no God or devil will be able to change the child. Will all teachers be such gurus? That according to APJ Abdul Kalam, the education system of our country is also very important. The students are also very important to develop our countries in so many fields. We, the students, learners, having such a responsibility to develop our country. And also he focused upon the system of education, also very important. The responsibility of the students also very important for the development of our country. Have you understood this, my dear students? According to Abdul Kalam, the responsibility of youths or the learners or the students are very important for the sake of development of our country in all sectors. Let us we move in the new words which is introduced in your text. According to the new words, attest means use something. Code, the most important, untapped, not yet used. Ignite means active burn. Substance of means the main part of remote. The main part. Remote means far away, not likely. Students, today in this lesson we are going to introduce these new words. It is better to know the meaning of these new words, and also we have to use these words in your own constructive own sentence. Let us move towards the homework. What is Dr. Kalam's view on the good progress we have made in the software sector? And also, as I told you about this IT sector, information technology is also very important in the field of development of our country. Second one is, which state is rich in mineral wealth and natural gas? As I told you that Jharkhand and also Assam, the two states, northern states are very important states, rich in mineral wealth and natural gas also. Next question, what do people expect from biotechnology labs and medical councils? Last one, there is, where do you see insurgency and urgent among people? So these questions are very important. This lesson also very important for the sake of examination purpose. We have to go through this lesson. The very important thing we are going to learn. The most important thing that we are going to learn from this lesson is the system of education, science and technologies development, power system development, and also education system, industries development, and also northern states development, and also what are the famous and centers of the business centers in our country, which are the states or which are the places are very important for the sake of our business, for the sake of business in our country. And also the Kalam have a good dream towards development of our country. So these are the things we are going to realize, or what are the main dreams of the great personality Dr. Abdul Kalam in the field of development of our country. So we the students, we the learners, we have to realize that the views of Dr. Abdul Kalam's are very important things. We have to take an oath for the sake of our development of the country in all our aspects or sectors. So in these aspects, we are going to develop all these things for the sake of our countries. Have you understood this lesson? Yes? You have any doubts regarding this lesson? I think you are all understood this lesson. One thing I want to say again, you should follow a great personality's views or the ideas of this Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So he is always says about the teachers. One teacher said like this, give me a 5-year-old child. After 7 years, no God or devil will be able to change the child. Will all teachers be such gurus? We also told about the greatness of teachers, how they prepare the children, how they are very important role in the part of education or development of our education system. So like this. So these are all the things we are going to remember, that what type of education is or what type of infrastructure is very important for the sake of development of our country. Have I understood, my dear students? Yes? Yes. So we have to study this or read this lesson in our house and make some points. We'll make notes for in this this lesson. We should try to read again and again. One thing I want to remember again, one great book written by the APJ Abdul Kalam, The Wings of Fire. It is a great book written by APJ Abdul Kalam. So we have to go through this book to get good knowledge, good ideas regarding our country. Yes, let us we are going to stop this lesson in this period. In the next period we are going to start. Thank you very much.